Hi guys, this is Mick from Creative Dip It. We've got some new patterns in today, well, to us anyway. So what we're going to do, we're going to lay them down on some test pods. So let's get the first one down. We'll get this onto the water. Right, that's laid down good. So I need to leave that now for 60 seconds. So basically, this one is, I don't know whether you can see, but it's all like skeletons. It's quite a 60s theme for me, but we're going to lay that down on the white background. Obviously, depending on the colours that you lay it down on, the transparent side part of it you can see is what the colour will be. Okay, so she's doing very nicely. And all we're going to do is one of our faithful pods, what we always tend to lay down with. I'm just going to stick a bit of tape on the back, just for me to hold something on it. Basically all we do, just so when we're dipping we can go down nicely. Right, 60 seconds is up. Now I'm going to lay the activator down on it. It's expanding very nicely. Let's go. Oh, seems to sit well. There we go, you get to see before I do. That's one of the new patterns. Pretty cool. Okay, thanks. Creative Dip It.